Hello friends, welcome to our English session. Today we will discuss about how English helps us in daily life. Let's start the session. Introduction. English is often called the global language because it is spoken and understood by people in many parts of the world. Whether we are at work, in school, traveling, or using the internet, English plays a key role in making communication easier and more effective. It has become a bridge that connects people from different linguistic and cultural backgrounds. In today's modern world, the importance of English in our daily lives cannot be overstated. 1. Communication. English is a vital tool for communication. It is widely used for speaking, writing, reading, and listening. In many countries, people with different native languages use English as a common medium to understand one another. For instance, when tourists travel to a foreign country, they often use English to ask for directions, order food, or book a hotel. This makes English an essential language for everyday interactions. 2. Education. English plays a significant role in the field of education. Most academic books, journals, and online learning platforms use English. Students around the world study subjects like science, technology, mathematics, and history in English. In higher education, especially in international universities, English is often the medium of instruction. It helps students access a wide range of learning resources and pursue global career opportunities. 3. Career and job opportunities. In the professional world, English has become the language of business. Companies that operate on an international level use English for meetings, presentations, and reports. Knowing English increases a person's chances of getting hired and succeeding in their career. It allows individuals to communicate with clients and colleagues across the globe. Many job interviews and professional exams are also conducted in English, making it a necessary skill in the modern job market. 4. Technology and the Internet. A vast majority of content on the internet is in English. From social media to websites, blogs, online courses, and YouTube videos, English dominates digital platforms. Knowing English helps people search for information, use software, and connect on social networking sites. It also enables users to understand new technologies and tools, which are mostly introduced with English instructions and interfaces. 5. Travel and tourism. When traveling to other countries, English is a valuable companion. It is the most commonly spoken second language around the world. Travelers use English to communicate at airports, hotels, tourist destinations, and with fellow travelers. It helps them read signs, maps, brochures, and transportation schedules. Knowledge of English can make traveling smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. 6. Social interaction and cultural exchange. English is a key to connecting with people from various cultures. It allows individuals to make new friends, engage in cultural exchange programs, and participate in international events. English movies, books, music, and news help people understand global cultures and stay informed. It encourages tolerance, open-mindedness, and global thinking. 7. Personal development. English contributes to personal growth in many ways. It enhances critical thinking, reading habits, and writing skills. Many motivational talks, self-help books, and educational videos are available in English. Learning and practicing English helps individuals become more confident and independent. It also improves problem-solving abilities and enhances communication skills. 8. Government and official use. In many countries, English is used in government offices, courts, and legal documents. It is the official language for many administrative tasks. Understanding English is important for reading government policies, filling out forms, or applying for official documents like passports or visas. 9. Health and safety. English is used in medical instructions, prescription labels, and hospital communication. Many health awareness campaigns, emergency alerts, and safety instructions are issued in English. It helps people understand important information regarding their health and well-being. Conclusion. In conclusion, English has become an essential part of our daily lives. It supports communication, education, employment, travel, personal development, and access to information. Whether we are talking to someone from another country, applying for a job, browsing the internet, or learning something new, English serves as a helpful tool. Learning and improving English is not only useful but also necessary in the modern world. It opens doors to countless opportunities and helps us connect with the world around us. Thank you, friends. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such listening videos. And share your love in comment box. Have a nice day.